Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf ball mark. It is crucial to repair these indentations quickly to maintain the health of the putting green. You will need a simple divot repair tool, which is often a two-pronged metal or plastic device. Knowing the correct method prevents further damage and ensures the green recovers in just 24 to 48 hours. Let's get started with the first step to keep our courses in excellent condition for everyone. For the first step, carefully find the deepest point of the ball mark. This is usually where the ball initially impacted the green. Take your divot repair tool and insert it into the turf, making sure to place it just outside the edge of the actual indentation. It is important to angle the tool at approximately 45 degrees, pointing it towards the center of the mark. This precise placement is key to a successful and non-damaging repair. Now, with the tool inserted, gently push the turf from the outside edges of the mark inward, towards the center. Imagine you are trying to close a small crater. Repeat this gentle pushing motion around the entire circumference of the ball mark, working your way around the full 360 degrees. A critical point here is to avoid lifting the turf upwards, as this can tear the grass roots and cause more harm than good to the green. For the final step, once you have pushed the edges inward, the mark should be mostly filled. Now, use the sole of your putter or the bottom of your shoe to gently tap down and smooth the repaired area. The goal is to make the surface completely level with the surrounding green, leaving no raised or depressed spots. This simple action helps the grass blades knit back together quickly, allowing the green to heal in about 1 to 2 days. Thank you for helping maintain our beautiful golf courses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.